Alright, it seems I'm gonna have to turn around. It's got a lot of water a little right there. So I have to back up. Whole thing over there. Yay! Hey guys, just found a camping spot. Let me show you. This is where we're gonna make the fire tonight. And we do have a river just right here. So beautiful. So there seems to have a bunch of little trails here. So I'm gonna go with the cat right now. He's right here with me. And yeah, we're gonna make the fire tonight here. Decide to go today because it's supposed to get very cold here for the next couple of little weeks, and probably have some snow too as well. So might be one of the last time we're gonna have campfire for maybe a month or so, depending on the weather and all that. So I decide on my days off just to come here, enjoy the beautiful day. It's cloudy, but it's still good. So yeah, we're gonna go for a little walk. Gonna set up everything here, set up the fire for tonight. Super exciting to be back in the backcountry. I always love to be here. It's just so good, so refreshing to be in nature. So yeah, we're gonna go there. Hey guys, I just had a nice nap. It was so good. Just the nap when you are in the backcountry are just the perfect one. Just so quiet, so perfect. So now I'm hungry though, so we're gonna have a fire so I can cook on the fire later on. And yeah, I think that's gonna be a chilly evening, so hopefully I have enough of wood. So let's do this, guys. So guys, while we are waiting for the fire to warm up so I can cook on it, I thought we'll share a little bit of like safety tips if you want. I'm not going to cover everything. Obviously, I could do a full 1-hour video about everything that you could carry in the backcountry. But I wanted just to share a little bit of extra things that I do to keep myself a little bit more careful, like safe in the backcountry. One thing that I always do, and this is maybe me, but I always check my tire when I come. Last thing that I want is to have a flat tire tomorrow morning. So I already done it once, and I'm probably gonna do it twice. I always look around my van, make sure I don't hear any leak, that my tire seems to be all right. I'm always gonna check too if it doesn't seem to have any leak underneath the van or anything broke it while I was doing some off-road. So that's one thing that I always do. I know how to change my tire if something happened, but I don't want to do it. I don't want to have to do it. I want to know if something, if I seems to have a flat tire coming or whatever, I want to know right away so I can fix it right away. And so that's one thing that I do. Also, another thing that I do, I always park my van facing the exit. So that's one thing that I do. One thing that I even do in a city or anything. So always park front facing the exit. So if something happens in the middle of the night, I can go, I can run. Another thing that I do have with me is because I do live in bear country. It is a bear spray. I do have this one always with me here and when I'm be in the campfire, but also in the van tonight. Yes, so this is good for bear, but also douchebag if they come bothering me later on or whatever when I beside the fire. It's always good to have something to defend yourself. Starting about something you can defend yourself with. Probably if you do have a fire, you're gonna have an axe. So I hope I'm not gonna have to use it in any way, but that's another like safety things that I can use to defend myself. Another thing that I have, and I'm not gonna cover like everything that I do have in the van because that's a little bit, if I want to say personal. One thing that is good is that I know exactly where everything is in my van. If someone broke in the middle of the night, I can reach anything that I know they can defend myself. And I don't think you should let people know everything that you have in your van because I don't know you guys. Maybe one douchebag over here listen to me and I don't want to tell him everything that I have in my van. But one thing that I'm gonna say is I do have several things in different places. So if someone would break in the front or in the back, I would have something to reach and defend myself based on what happened. One thing that my friend gave it to me is a knife. So this one probably gonna stay inside my van, but I have one that I'm gonna be able to carry on myself because it's useful when you do have a fire, but also if something happens you want to defend yourself, it is always good to have a knife, something that you can reach. So a lot of people in my previous video was like, oh, do you feel worried, do you feel stressed, or you can be alone in the middle of the wood. What I'm gonna say is I'm way more stress and worry, if you want, in the big city that I am in the backcountry right here. I feel so much better to be in the backcountry. Yes, of course, I'm by myself. Someone could come, but yeah, you're not gonna see this channel that often in the big city. I don't do well in the big city. I mean, I slept in Vancouver in the big city, and it's all right, but I really feel better to be in the backcountry here. Yeah, so that was my little tip, and like I said, like I could talk about like so many things. One more thing that I wanted to say is you need to know your van. You need to know what your van is capable of. I used to own a 4x4 for many, many years. So I do have to kind of like stop myself a little bit and be more careful because I know my van is not the greatest for backcountry right now. I want to improve the van so I can go a little bit further and enjoy a little bit more of the outdoor, but I have to be careful. Like today I was doing a trail and a lot of water and mud, and I decided to back up. I probably would be fine to go in that road, but I was a little bit worried and I don't want to take any chance because you are by yourself. So yeah, now guys, I'm hungry. So I think we're gonna have dinner before it gets dark. So yeah, let's have dinner, guys. So for dinner, let me open it. For dinner, I do have some potatoes, onion, Brussels sprouts, and I'm gonna have like a potato salad. Super simple to do that on the fire. I'm just gonna put that on the side, leave it for a couple of minutes until it's ready, and I'm gonna show you what I do at the end. So yeah, let's do this. So by the way, I look at the last clip that I just recorded. I'm sorry if you hear the river right beside me. It's quite big right now, so hopefully you hear me all right. So yeah, I'm gonna put that for a couple minutes, and I'm gonna show you how I made my warm potato salad. So good, guys, you're gonna have to try it. So super simple potato salad. I think I overcooked a little bit the potatoes, but that's all right. So you need some hummus, and that's it, guys. You need a lot of hummus, by the way. You mix that up, so good. This is what I call my warm potato salad. Give it a good stir. Oh yeah, guys, it's gonna be so good. try that. Oh yeah. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna let you with this before it gets too dark. Thank you for joining me. If you are not already, don't forget to subscribe, guys. I also love to chat with you in the comment section below, so don't forget to chat with me. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna see you next time, guys. Alright, bye.